Hi everyone. Today I'm getting a peach cherry smoothie with orange juice as the base. So first of all, here's the orange juice. You add about 750 milliliters, there's maybe 3 cups, like this. Then you have soft dates here. These are better it's easier to blend with, so soft dates. Then you have the frozen bananas. This is about 1 small frozen banana. It's better. There's bananas. It's frozen banana and it's frozen. It's about equivalent to about half of a small banana. So put it here. Then you have frozen cherries. They're the cherries. So you put them here. Then to give it a nice taste, a nice tangy taste. It's like Hawaiian. There's pineapples. So we add this is about 150 milligrams of the pineapple. So put them here. Then peaches, because they add a different zest to it. So you add peaches. This is 1.5 peaches. It's like 1 large peach and a small peach. So you put them here. Then next you add, for protein you add this, a Greek yogurt. This is like 2 large teaspoons of Greek yogurt. You have it like this. Then you add chia seeds. This is 2 large tablespoons of chia seeds. Set up like this. They can have a bit of ice if you want. Only a handful of ice is needed. A handful of ice. And 2 handfuls. So 10 ice cubes. Then you give it about 2 minutes to blend. Depending on the consistency, you can blend it between 0 and 2 minutes, depending on the consistency that you want. So it's 2 minutes here. that's how I make a tasty Hawaiian peach cherry smoothie. You can see it. Very yummy. This is very tasty. You add it slowly to the jar. You can add different amounts based on the amount of orange juice or ingredients you use. This is based on like a 3 serving basis. So that's it. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.